Hello everyone, I am Nikita Sen from the Bhopal School of Social Sciences, B.Ed 3rd SAM, Department of Education. Today we are going to learn about acids. In acids, we are covering what is acid, source of acid, type of acid, property of acid, and finally we are recapitulating what we have to learn. First of all, we are going to learn about acids. So, acid present in many food items such as vinegar, lemon, tamarind, apple, and so on. And these things taste are sour because they all contain acids. The term acids come from the Latin word acera, which means sour, and all of these things like kiwi, orange juice, tamarind, all things are sour in taste. As we learnt about acid, now we are going to learn about source of acid. There are so many source of acid. The first source of acid is citric acid. It is a weak organic acid and the chemical formula is C6H8O7. It's odorless, colorless and appear as a white crystal solid. It is a natural form. It look like a small and clear crystal similar to be a table salt. And citric acid mostly present in orange or lemon. Second source of acid is acetic acid. Acetic acid is also a colorless, clear, organic liquid with a pungent odor. It is present in ethanolic acid, vinegar. Of acid is tartaric acid. Tartaric acid is an organic acid found in many vegetables and fruits such as banana, grapes, etc. Of acid, there are two type of acid. First is organic, another one is inorganic acid. So organic acid, it is understand with the name of organic, like organic means they occur naturally in plant or animals, so these are called the organic. Same thing happened with acid, like those acid which are present in naturally in plant or animals, these are called the organic acid. So all organic acid contain carbon and hydrogen atom. And the next is organic acid are weak acid. Why these are weak? Because they are present in nature, so they are weak in nature. Some example of organic acid is lactic acid, acetic acid and formic acid. The next type of acid is inorganic acid. The acid are derived from the mineral resources. They are also called the mineral acids. And these acids contain at least one hydrogen but no carbon dioxide. Most of them are strong acid and should be handled carefully. Okay, handle carefully means acids are danger and it is harmful for our skin, so it should be handled carefully. Always using test tube for using chemical or acids. So some example of inorganic acid is sulfuric acid, hydrochloric. As we learn about acid, source of acid, type of acid, now we are talking about property of acids. So there are some property of acid mentioned below, like acid have a sour in taste. Yes, all acid are sour in taste. Some are more sour and some are less sour, but acid are sour in taste. This is the identification of the acid that are sour in taste. How to identify? So if anything is sour, it means it has a present acid. The next one is they have a corrosive nature. Yes, acid have a corrosive nature means when acid come in contact with something, it start reacting with and things burns. So this it means that acid have a corrosive nature. The next property is they turn blue litmus into red. Yes, acid turn blue litmus into red. Acid are soluble in water. Yes, acid are soluble in water because acid is liquid or some solid acid is soluble in water. Heat is produced when a strong acid is mixed in water. Yes, heat is produced when strong acid mixed with water. Now we are talking about pH scale. So pH means potential of hydrogen. pH is measure of how acid or basic a substance is. The pH scale range from 0 to 14 with 7 being a neutral. pH less than 7 indicate acidity while a pH greater than 7 indicate basicity. Let's try. Question 1, do you know how many type of acids? Question second, a pH is less than 7 indicate that solution is AN. Now we are going to recapitulate or revise what we have learned. So first we learnt about acid. Like acid is a substance that present in a sour thing like kiwi, orange, mango, banana, etc. And acid, the word come from Latin word acera, which means sour. So it's all about acid. Okay. The next question is source of acid. So there are so many source of acid, and source of acid means where acid come. So in this lecture we talked about only three source of acid, like acetic acid, tartaric acid, and citric acid. So these are the source of acid that acids come. And the next one is type of acid. The type of acid, there are two type of acid: organic and inorganic acid. Organic acid, those acid which occur in nature or animal. So these are called the organic acid. The next one is inorganic acid. Inorganic acids are the acid which derived from the mineral resources. Next we are talked about property of acid. So there are so many property, but we are talking some properties like acid have a sour in taste, they have a corrosive nature, they turn blue litmus into red, and acid are more soluble in water, etc. And next we are talking about the pH value. It means that the potential of hydrogen present in acids. Acid have a pH less than 7. So this is called, these things we learned in acids. I hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you for watching that. I hope you enjoy about acids. So thank you for watching this.